Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Today we are going to cook something special. It's the trout. It's the steelhead trout. So what you need the trout, you need green peas, you need some mangoes for the salsa, you could use carrots, you could use tomatoes, you could use pepper, you could use garlic. You need garlic to rub the fish with it. You need onions for the salsa, of course olive oil. You could also use the potatoes, these mini potatoes. They come in different colors, and of course you need the mix of different spices. You put the fish in a pan like this. We add some olive oil so it becomes juicy. You add the garlic. We add some salt. We add some black pepper. Some paprika. You could add any kind of seasoning you would like Italian seasoning. All of these flavors, they give nice taste. And here is spice as well. It's kind of a special spice. So you preheat the oven for 350, and when it's ready, you put the fish inside the oven for about 15-20 minutes. So this is how it looks like inside the oven for about, as I said, 15-20 minutes. Boil the potatoes that you cut just a little bit so they become soft, and then you saute them, and then you bake them in the oven. So put them in water like this. You can put just a little bit of salt and let them boil for like maybe 2-3 minutes. You do the same for the green peas, green beans, any vegetables you would like to include on the fish dish. Same thing. Let it boil for like 2-3 minutes. Put a little bit of salt and let it boil for, as I said, 2-3 minutes. Now we make the salsa, which is the mango that we have cut into small pieces. You put the onions, you put the pepper, tomatoes, you put olive oil, you put some salt, and lemon juice. Make sure you take the seeds out. Most people don't like seeds. I don't like seeds. Take them out. Make sure they are taken out. And mix. And some olive oil just to make it a little bit more juicy. So green. So this will be your salsa for the fish. Okay. For the green peas, we remove the water with some olive oil, just a little bit, some black pepper, just a little bit, and some paprika for coloring and flavor. Let it stir fry it for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. We don't want to cook it completely. Just let it, stir fry for 2-3 minutes, and then we'll take it out. This is how the potatoes look like. 1 more minute, we'll take them out. And here is the carrots. We do the same for the carrots. After we drain the water from the potatoes and the carrots, we put them together on the stove. Just a little bit of olive oil, some seasonings, salt, some Italian herbs, and saute them just a little bit for like a few seconds, and then we can add them with the fish so they both cook together, so the vegetables will absorb the flavor from the fish. And we're going to add the green beans or green peas to the mix as well. Let them cook for, as I said, a few seconds, and then we will add them on the same tray where the fish is. Now, as we said, we add these vegetables to the fish, and then we put them back in the oven for like another 5 minutes, 6 minutes, something like that, until the fish and the vegetables are fully cooked. And here is the result. We did broil it a little bit so it becomes crunchy and roasted. So now we try a little bit. Put on your plate some vegetables. Then we put some salsa. And you enjoy. Yummy. Thank you.